Data Analytics in Business Analysis, a CCBA Guide. Understanding data analytics in business analysis. Data analytics is the process of analyzing raw data to extract valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. In the context of business analysis, data analytics helps analysts understand trends, patterns, and correlations within business data to identify opportunities and solve complex problems. Data analysis techniques for business analysis. There are various data analysis techniques that business analysts can utilize to extract insights from data. Some common techniques include statistical analysis, predictive analytics, and quantitative analysis. Statistical analysis involves analyzing data to uncover patterns and relationships, while predictive analytics uses historical data to predict future outcomes. Interpreting and visualizing data. Interpreting and visualizing data is essential for making data-driven decisions in business analysis. Data visualization tools, such as dashboards and reporting tools, help analysts present complex data in a visually appealing format. By interpreting data effectively, analysts can uncover trends, patterns, and opportunities that inform business decision-making. The role of data analytics in business performance. Data analytics plays a crucial role in improving business performance by providing valuable insights and driving strategic planning. Business analysts use data analytics principles and models to solve complex problems and make data-driven decisions. By employing advanced analytics techniques, such as data modeling and data patterns analysis, analysts can identify opportunities for business growth and innovation. Achieving success with CCBA certification. The CCBA certification provides professionals with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in business analysis. By mastering data collection methods, data analysis tools, and business processes, CCBA certified professionals can drive business performance and make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Conclusion. In conclusion, data analytics is an essential component of business analysis, providing valuable insights that drive strategic planning and decision-making.